In the heart of the African savanna, an unlikely friendship blossoms between tiny birds and massive mammals. Red-billed oxpeckers, Buphagus erythrorhynchus, form a fascinating relationship with creatures like rhinos, buffalo, giraffes, hippos, and antelope. These small birds are more than just passengers, they play a critical role in their host's survival while benefiting themselves in the process. But this relationship is far more complex than it seems. Let's dive into the surprising bond between oxpeckers and their giant companions. Nature's pest control, a win-win relationship. Oxpeckers are often called nature's pest control experts. These birds perch on the backs of large mammals to feast on ticks, fleas, and other parasites that infest their host's skin. By removing these pests, oxpeckers provide relief to their hosts, preventing irritation, infections, and even diseases caused by parasites. In fact, a single oxpecker can consume hundreds of ticks in a day. This makes them invaluable to animals like buffalo and giraffes, which are constantly exposed to parasite-infested environments. But their cleaning services don't stop at ticks. Oxpeckers also eat dead skin, dandruff, earwax, and even insects buzzing around their hosts. They're like a full-service grooming team for these large mammals. This mutualistic relationship benefits both parties. The oxpecker gets a steady food source while the mammal enjoys some much-needed pest relief. A built-in alarm system. Oxpeckers aren't just pest removers, they're also vigilant sentinels. These birds have sharp senses and are quick to spot approaching predators like lions or hyenas. When danger is near, oxpeckers let out loud warning calls, alerting their hosts to potential threats. This is especially beneficial for animals like rhinos, which have poor eyesight and might not notice predators until it's too late. In fact, the Swahili name for the red-billed oxpecker is Askari wa Kifaru, which translates to the rhino's guard. This nickname highlights the bird's role as a protector for its host. Studies have shown that rhinos with oxpeckers on their backs are more likely to detect approaching humans or predators than those without these feathered companions. More than just a meal, the dark side of oxpeckers. While the relationship between oxpeckers and their hosts may seem purely mutualistic, there's a darker side to this bond. Oxpeckers don't just eat ticks, they also feed on blood from open wounds on their host's skin. In some cases, they deliberately peck at sores to keep them open and access fresh blood. This behavior can prevent wounds from healing properly and even lead to infections. This parasitic tendency complicates the relationship between oxpeckers and their hosts. While they provide valuable pest control and act as an alarm system, their blood-feeding habits can harm their mammalian companions. Some animals tolerate this behavior because the benefits outweigh the drawbacks, but others actively try to shake off or avoid oxpeckers when they become too aggressive. Do oxpeckers really help reduce parasites? Interestingly, recent research has questioned just how effective oxpeckers are at reducing parasite loads on their hosts. Studies suggest that while oxpeckers do remove ticks and other pests, they may not significantly reduce the overall number of parasites on large mammals. This raises questions about whether their primary role is pest control or if other benefits, like acting as an alarm system, are more important. A complex relationship in nature. The bond between red-billed oxpeckers and large mammals is a perfect example of nature's complexity. On one hand, these birds provide essential services like pest control and predator detection that benefit their hosts. On the other hand, their blood-feeding habits reveal a parasitic side that can harm the very animals they rely on for survival. Despite these complexities, this relationship highlights how interconnected life is in the animal kingdom. Each species plays a role in maintaining balance within ecosystems, whether it's a massive rhinoceros or a small but resourceful bird like the oxpecker. As we continue to study these fascinating interactions, we gain a deeper appreciation for how animals adapt to survive together in challenging environments like the African savanna. Whether it's cleaning parasites or sounding alarms, red-billed oxpeckers prove that even small creatures can play big roles in maintaining harmony in nature's intricate web of life. So next time you see an image or video of an oxpecker perched on a rhino or buffalo's back, remember, there's much more to this partnership than meets the eye.